And one of my things that I love to do with young kids is find their natural sound. And a lot of times I use exercises that really don't sound much like singing, but over the course of a lesson, all of a sudden the parents and the child will say, wow, that was really interesting. I really hit a high C. Cool. So that's kind of my approach as a teacher these days, is to use their natural sound to find the beauty in their voice and then help them to grow as singers, as musicians, and as expressive human beings.